Hello friends and welcome to another video of a factory tour. Today we are at Katral, Gujarat to unbox another factory. Friends, you have all walked on many concrete blocks and bricks, but few people know about the non-touch automatic manufacturing process of them. So today we will see the amazing block manufacturing process, a must-watch video through to the end. The concrete block making process starts with the raw materials: cement, sand, water and aggregate. First, the raw materials are added in the 4-bin feeder. It's used for storage, decreases waste and maintains a continuous supply of all the raw materials. Through the pneumatic gate system, the raw materials fall on the conveyor, with the amounts predefined by weight. Then they're taken to a mixer. The cement used for making blocks is added into the mixture directly from the silo with a predefined quantity for the product. By storing it in the silo, the cement is protected from moisture and water. First of all, the mixture is dry mixed and water is added automatically. This creates a better quality block. The reason it's best for the raw materials to be automatically added and mixed is so that all the batches remain uniform, and this makes top quality products. All the raw materials are mixed together in the mixer, making a homogeneous mixture. With the help of a conveyor belt, this ready-made mixture reaches the main machine, where the blocks will be made from it. In the block making process, the first pellet is loaded into the machine from the other side. After that, the prepared mixer is poured into the mould in equal quantities. Firstly, the base of the block is pressed and compacted by high-frequency vibrations in the machine. You may be wondering exactly what happens in this process. Well, the product gets better compaction, higher density and maximum strength from the high-frequency vibrations. After that, the block face is pressed with the same process. By adding a pigment to the face mixer, many different colour blocks can be made. The finished blocks move further by conveyor belt after pressing. Here, 2 pallets are stacked together automatically by machine. You have seen here that this block making process is non-touch and automatic. So friends, you're probably thinking that the block is ready, but it is not. The curing process still remains. With the help of a forklift, this stack of pallets are sent to the curing chamber. To reach optimum strength, these blocks are kept here for 24 hours to dry. Friends, have you ever wondered where this automatic plant is operated from? All the machines are operated automatically from the centralized computing system control room. Finally, after 24 hours, the concrete blocks are ready. To ensure the strength of a block, it is passed on to the factory quality testing lab. Finally, strapping is done for transporting. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of a block making factory. Which process did you find most interesting? Comment below. Subscribe to us for more factory unboxing videos. Like the video and don't forget to share with your family and friends. Stay connected, be updated.